Hey guys, hope you're all well. So yeah, one of Lyra's favourite TV shows is the Clangers, and in particular the episode with the Eggbots. Aside from a plastic set that came with one of the CBeebies magazines probably a couple of years ago, you can't buy any of these things. So I thought I'd have a go at making them for Christmas. Essentially they're Russian dolls, so I had a look on eBay to see whether there was anything out there that I could get on the cheap and sort of just modify a bit. But yeah, they proved rather pricey. But interestingly, Amazon sell a set of 8 wooden nesting eggs that look pretty spot on for the job, to be honest. She's only going to have 7 of them, as one would definitely have been a choking hazard, and I obviously don't want that to happen. But hopefully she won't notice or mind. To finish them off, I bought some acrylic paint from Hobbycraft, and I think all in all they've come out pretty well. Total cost, probably just shy of £30, but yeah, I think it'll be worth it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel.
So,